Hey everybody, this Diva T4040. Hope everyone's doing okay. It's 4:30 a.m. and I believe today is the 6th or the 7th. I don't know. I'm doing this very, very late and I'm gonna try to do this very, very fast. So as you know, I pull out stuff so that I can put it up. I've been trying to do this video for the last 10 minutes, so I'm not on camera because I'm in my night clothes. But some things, this is a good size haul, but it's I got my snacks for the month of April. This is April 2025, and I got my snacks, but I had some stuff on hold at my favorite Dollar Tree location here in Austin, Texas. So I went by to get that stuff and ended up getting some cleaning stuff. Not very much. I got some snacks because I didn't get any snacks last month. So I'm trying to get better snacks, but I did get my cookies and stuff. So, but we're going to try to go as fast as possible. You all have seen these in the Dollar Tree streets, as my two favorite ladies, Sadie and Erica, say. But I have the black one, but I got this peach one, soft pink or whatever. It's a Sassy Chick large makeup bag. So I got this one. The store that I went to had not plenty, but they had quite a few. So I already have the black one that I use. And the thing to keep in mind is this is not very strong. I may stitch it again to make it a little stronger, but you can't put a lot in here. But it is good for storage. So as I show the things, I'm going to put them in here. So I'm going to set it up here. I'm standing in the doorway to my kitchen, and the dark space there is my dining room. So I brought everything in my trusty basket. I got my grocery bags. So I'm going to show you what I got. Some things are for gifts. I'm working towards Mother's Day. I make baskets. I make decor items. I do all the crafting things you see. And some of the things I get from Dollar Tree, but I've been getting a lot from Hobby Lobby, Michaels, or whatever. But I am making gift bags. So I got the Good Vibes bag. And I thought I got the beach one, but this store does have quite a few. So I may go back. This is a pretty nice size bag. I want to say I either saw it in a walkthrough or she purchased it, Miss Sadie and Miss Erica. Those are the two ladies I watched the most frequent. For the Dollar Tree hauls, I have branched out to see who does YouTube closer to my state. I'm in Texas, but this is a cosmetic bag. Also, it's clear. It already has the logo and stuff on it. I do make bags like this, but this is cute for a gift that I have a set of twins to make something for. I got my Jim Beam. I like this coffee. It's a medium roast, but this is the Jim Beam bourbon flavored ground coffee. I got bourbon vanilla. This is what I'm trying. I also got the other one. So this is what I had on hold. And like I said, I am putting stuff up as I go along. But the girl who rang me up, nothing, it's just in a bag. They don't separate stuff. So I did get the Be Pure Collagen Serum Under Eye Roller. I got the Smooth, and I got the Illuminating. So this one, they're fragrance free. This is the vitamin C, and I got the collagen. I have used these before, but not by Be Pure. I get the red one that is the dupe for Olive Olay. I also got the Revitalize. So this one's like pink. This is the retinol. So I got that one, and they're all fragrance free. I do keep them in the refrigerator. I have a bag that I keep in the refrigerator. All serums and my face mask, my under eye mask, I keep in the refrigerator. It is a better sensation to do it that way. I did get 2 of the Global Beauty Care Retinol Renewing Double Serum. This is a 1.7 ounce bottle. Refined skin tone and texture. So I got that. I haven't found the snail serum here, but I'm still on the lookout because I have used the snail serum before, but not the one that is found in the Dollar Tree stores. So I got 2 of those retinol, and one of my ladies that I'm trying to get her to revise her YouTube channel is a makeup artist on Instagram, and her name is Aqua Beauty. She has been looking for this. This is the Very Black LA Colors Bold Lash, the one with the mini brush. So I got her a couple of these, and I got me a couple. So I'm gonna mail these to her. And the shade is very black. The Dollar Tree that I go to has the pink one and that blue one or turquoise one. So this is lash. This one has a lash defining brush, and I love this, and so does she. So those are my two. Those are her two. I got some nail drying drops with jojoba oil and vitamin E. I love this stuff, and I'm glad that it's back around. So I think I only got one. I need to go get a couple more. This dries your nail polish very fast, and it also helps kind of do your cuticles. So I got that, and because my budget is limited this month more than before because I'm supposed to go out of town. I only got what I needed. I have a couple of faces I have to do when I get on my trip. So I got some Ioni 3D faux mink lashes, and the new collection that's out is the Lunar Zodiac Lash of Gold. So I was getting these for me, but I got two of each of these. So I got the Cheyenne Goat, and I got the Rabbit, and I know I got some other, but like I said, it's whatever's back in the bag I'm pulling out. And no, I'm not gonna show everything. Like, I'll just tell you my snacks, but some of the things that I got, I am going to show. I am going to try out these Collections by Juncture super soft leggings. It says the perfect legging. So the manager is taller than me, and she's not as curvy as I am, but she said these come all the way up. I didn't want them to be down here and not come up here. So she said she got the shorts and she got the leggings. So this came in a 3X. I wear a 3X. So these were $5. So I'm gonna try these. And those were the last minute choice. I got fabric softener sheets. I got, and I'm trying to open because some of this I put in a knot. I did get snacks. I got my pork crackling dippers. I restocked my noodles. I use these, not the ones in the pack. These are the Marichon Ramen Bowl hot and spicy. These are spicy. They're very high in calories, but I only eat these when I just really, really don't cook. So I got two hot and spicy, and I got my Oreos. I like the golden. I did get the regular Oreos. My daughter would probably sneak them away from me. I restocked. I am out of snacks, period, y'all. I don't have a snack in this house. I got my movie theater butter popcorn for Pop Secret. I did get two boxes, because it's only 3 bags in the box, right? So the stuff that's going in the pantry will stay in the bag, and the snack stuff will go in another bag. So it's not a lot. It's just I don't have a lot of room where I'm standing, and I'm not going to move. So I put the snack bag on my arm. And like I said, some of these I tried not, so it'll be what it is. Here's another pair of my lashes. I got the horse. So I got the rabbit. The goat, and the horse. So the rabbit is, these are pre-glued strip lashes, clear soft band, pre-glued wispy short crisscross cat eye. So the goat is the cat eye. The horse is the natural doll. And because I wear lashes a lot, and I've been putting them on people for some years and years and years, I am very good at it. Oh my goodness, I didn't even look. I also got some more of the Paradise Breeze. I like this spray. This is supposed to be the dupe for the Soleil, whatever that perfume is. I don't have that perfume, but I do like the way this smells. The different ones do different things with your body chemistry. So this one has the notes of black amber, plum, and vanilla wood. And it says for her. I learned that on the Lemon8 app. Some of these power sticks are for men. So I got 2 of those. I did find my Himalayan salt Dio hand soap. This is my favorite soap. It clean and gentle and washes away bacteria. So this is my favorite. This will go in my kitchen because I'm almost out of soap. And my manager at this particular store, when these came in, she did give me these. I've used these before, but they came just regular in the package. Now they're kind of cute. This is the Subtle C is the brand. Vitamin A Boost Sheet Mask. There are 2 masks in here, and it comes in the little tube. Subsides and prevents blemishes. So this one is in the purple tube, and then I got the vitamin C sheet mask in the orange. This one brightens and firms. So I got those 2. And like I said, I'm putting stuff in that little tote. I've been looking for some more of these toothbrushes. You're supposed to change your toothbrush. So there are 2 in this package, and I'm glad. I'm mad there was only 1 left, but I did get it. This is the Charcoal Extreme Clean Toothbrush Set. Charcoal infused bristles, ultra soft grip, tongue cleaner, and there are 2 toothbrushes, and I got it in soft. And I thought I got 5, so I got, I might send it to her, but I think she asked me for 2 or 3. I did find the Global Beauty Care Multivitamin Sheet Mask with vitamins B3, B5, A, C, and E. 15-minute facial therapy for all skin types. This works very well on my skin. I have to take steroids at certain times for an eye condition I have. So these sheet masks put the moisture back in my skin, and I've been looking for them. But because I have to take the medication and it dries my skin out, paper thin, dry, and itchy, these really do help. And I hate that I only found 1. But I am going to take a picture so I can try to find some more. And my manager was able to grab me one of these and put it on hold. This is the Summer Vibes by Trend Beauty. I'm going to try this out. I'm not going to open it now. Well, I was finna say I wasn't going to open it because I couldn't get it open. But I saw the videos on this. And because I am a makeup artist, these are the colors. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8. There's Bali, Sunrise, Sunset, Peachy, Breezy, Hibiscus, Sunburn, and Mai Tai. And these are very nice colors. I'm not going to swipe them because this may become a gift. I got to put a basket together for my niece who's getting married on the 26th. And I am making her wedding fan, her feather fan. So I'm going to put her a little basket together. So I really was in the store to get stuff because I went right before it closed. So I didn't really pay attention to the stuff I had on hold. I know what I sent her pictures of. And if she found it, she put it in the bag. So that's kind of how that went. I've run out of room. I've run out of room in the tote, and I felt it moving. I'm telling you. So I should have opened these, but I didn't know I put them all these knots. So these are one of my grocery bags. I just fold them up and keep them in the car. And I want to open this bag without tearing it. There it goes. So somebody had opened a box of the Gain wipes. So they, instead of zeroing them out, they do them for half price. So this has 60 sheets in it. I love Gain. I'm hoping not too many. It had just been barely open. So I got it for $1. So that's my fabric softener sheets. That goes in my laundry room. My daughter tried these out, and she said these are the dupes for the Thera in the red package heat patches. So these are the menstrual heat patches. She said they work pretty good. They're odorless. They help relieve cramps, and they adhere to your clothes. She said they work pretty good. So I got her another one. She just wanted one because they had a few. I was glad to find my Wizard. This is I'm allergic to aerosol sprays because they make me choke. But this one is neutralizing spray, which means it doesn't have that aerosol alcohol choking feeling. So I got the vanilla and papaya. So I got 2 of those to have in the bathroom. So they'll go in the laundry room. I did get this Pro Silk Body Moisturizing Body Wash. I did smell it. With natural extracts and essential oils. This is in cypress and berry. This smells so fresh and so clean. And this big 24-ounce bottle was $1.25. And I like how they put the sticker on the back so that you could display it and it can look real chic in your bathroom. So this I will take and put in the travel size bottles. And in the travel size bottles and be able to take with me. I did get another bottle of the Odo, it says Odobahn, Eliminate Odor Spray Disinfectant. This smells so good. This is in eucalyptus. And I spray this in the floor of my car and in the vents. And it lasts, especially after it rains. I did get a bottle. I wish I could find the big bottle. Some Dollar Trees carry them, but I haven't seen them lately. And this just came back around. This is the Downy Rinse and Refresh 3 times the odor power. And it says safe on all fabrics. This fragrance is called Cool Cotton. This is a fabric rinse. I put this in the, I have an old school washer. So where the bleach will go, I put this in there for the rinse cycle. I didn't think that was going to fall. For the rinse cycle, this is a 4-ounce bottle, so it's pretty good size. But they hadn't come around in a while. So that will go in the laundry room. Also, okay, that's the snacks. So I got these bags hanging off my hand, y'all. It's a trip. So, okay, this going in my room. Okay, so making sure I don't show y'all my nightgown. I got 2 of my Brisk tea juices. Y'all excuse me if you see me. I've been doing good being on soda, but I did get 1 soda. I got a Fanta Orange. So this Dollar Tree I went to, they had the, let me turn it this way, 10-pack of Bear Grahams cookies in chocolatey chip. There are 10 1-ounce packets in this box. So I can stick one in my purse, have for a little snack when I go to the doctor. These are made with 8 grams of whole grains per serving. They had the honey, the chocolate, and the regular. So I got the chocolate chip, and they only had that 1 box. In this bag is some more of my noodles. And y'all know what I always get, my mini raviolis. And I did re-up on the McCormick bacon pieces and Applewood bacon bits. And it says bacon flavored bits. And this is the Applewood. This tastes so good. These are so good in salads. I put them in everything. Baked potatoes, you name it, I'll put it. So, like I said, I re-up on my coffee cups for my crafting project. And I think I only got 3 because they only had 3. Because I get a certain